Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix power button shutdown or sleep settings not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your power button shutdown or sleep settings not working, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here power plan. You can see here edit power plan, click on this. In this you can see here power option, click on this. In left side you will find choose what the power buttons do, click on this. Then click on change settings that are currently unavailable, you have to click on this. After that you can see when I press the power button, you can just click on this drop down menu and select as per your choice. By default it is selected as sleep, so you can select shutdown. When it is on charging, you can select as per your choice. After selecting, then click on save, then close this window, then type here cmd, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you need to type sfc space / scan now. After typing this, you have to just hit enter and it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. After completion of this, you have to just restart your PC. After restarting, I hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix power button shutdown or sleep settings not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.